You know, I saw Michael yesterday. Oh, really? Mm-hmm. I went to the lake to get a sip of water, obviously, and he was also there. And he's like, you should come to my cave. And I'm like, come to your cave and do what? Hieroglyphics and chill? I'm not doing that again with you, Michael. And he's like, no, no, relax. I want you to come over. I'm gonna go hunting and gathering, and we can have a really nice dinner, and I'll start a fire, and it'll be so romantic, and blah, blah, blah. And I'm just like, what was that? I don't know. What was that? I don't know. What was that? I don't know!
I'm gonna beat the fuck out of somebody if I hear another motherfucking person tell me that I got a permit.
Hey there, Jared. I don't mean to interrupt you now, but I got something to say. I hope you don't mind me saying this, but nice perm, Brody. Real nice perm.
I just wanna fuck a dude that's coming so sticky like glue. I made his dick hard and it.
Cause I can't stop thinking about you.
Here, huh? Look, I finally finished my book.
Oh, nice, the food lab. I like that name.
Mary, who taught you how to read?
I don't know how to read.
You just read the title.
No, I didn't.
You never told me you were a witch, Mary.
I swear by the gods, I would not lie to you, my husband.
Answer me this. If you get it right, I'll let you live. Wrong, and you die.
Okay.
What's 2 + 2?
4?
Who the f taught you math, you witch?
Okay, clearly we need to set some rules. Rule number 1. You will not touch anything.
What about the floor?
Yes, you may touch the floor.
What about the air?
Yes, you may touch the air.
What about this?
Ah! Where did you get that?
Found it.
Okay, rule number 2, you will not bother me while I'm working. Rule number 3, you will not cry, or whine, or laugh, or giggle, or sneeze, or burp, or fart. So, no annoying sounds, right?
Does this count as annoying?
Very.
Diggy 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 diggy.